The next one, when we talk, consider the following pairs on INC sessions and associated events. So 1896 Calcutta, Vande Mataram was sung for the first time. 1905 Banaras, the split was between the moderates and extremists. And 1915 Lucknow, the moderates and extremists, they reunited. Which of the above rows is the given information not correctly matched? So here it is not correctly, means we have to find the incorrect one. That is the option. Okay, means we have to find the incorrect one. All right, so what do we understand from this segment? That which of them are not correctly matched? So 1896 Calcutta, we are unaware whether that was there or no. Then 1905 Banaras session. Okay, yes, we know 1905 it was the session of Banaras when there was the Swadeshi and boycott movement. Okay, but the split between moderates and extremists, it happened in the Surat session of 1907, not in the 1905. So this is incorrect. Then when we talk, the next is going to be what? The next is going to be the 1915 Lucknow session. So in the Lucknow session, yes, there was the moderates and extremists, they are going to be reunited. But the Lucknow session, it did not happen in 1915 but in 1916. So that is why even this is wrong. So there are two incorrect. Okay. So 2 and 3 are incorrect. So we have this option. Okay. This is not there. This is not there. Now the first is the aspect. However, it was in this session. Okay. It was in this session that Vande Mataram, it was first sung. It was composed by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. And he was the and Rabindranath Tagore was the person who gave tune to it. Okay. So that is going to be the answer here. All right, so the first one is correct. So the incorrect one is what? 2 and 3. So that is going to be the incorrect ones. And Rahimatullah Sayani was the president of 1896. All right, consider the following statements. In the 1906 Calcutta session, presided by Dadabhai Nauroji, resolutions on Swarat, Swadeshi, boycott and national education was adopted. Okay. The 1907 Surat session, presided by Raj Bihari Ghosh, witnessed the split of moderates and extremists. Okay. The 1911 session, presided by B.N. Dhar, saw Jana Gana Mana sung for the first time in the Congress session. Which of the above statements are correct? Now, what do we know? Here we know that if you are aware about the Swadeshi and the boycott movement that was initiated. So in the Swadeshi and the boycott movement, what do we understand? Is that during the 1906 session of the Calcutta, Dadabhai Nauroji was the president and these three was given along with the goal of INC as Swaraj. Then in 1907, the Surat split happened like we discussed right now. And then here in the 1911, so we know that first and second, they are going to be correct. But when we talk on the third one, okay, the 1911 Calcutta session, it is going to be, proposed by B.N. Dhar. The chairman was B.N. Dhar, saw Jana Gana Mana sung for the first time in the Congress session. Okay, so which of the following statements are correct? Here when we see, when two statements are correctly given, in this particular statement, even if you are not aware about the presidency, if you have eliminated 50% or 75%, here, okay, it is informative kind of thing. However, for this, you will have to know the facts. Like for the above one, you had to know the facts. Here also, you'll have to know the facts. So, it is the correct one. Okay, so the Jana Gana Mana, it was sung in this session in 1911 and it was presided over by Bishan Narayan Dhar.